Shubhra Gautam of Class 4 from Pragati Public School from New Delhi, Dhaka. As you know, this is my 14th activity. Thank you activity. Let's begin with thanking Atal. I thank you Atal Tinkling Labs in association of KidEx to organize this unique challenge DIY. Because of this challenge, I learned many new things like new languages like Japanese, Chinese, Greek. Do you know, when I was not in this competition, I was a very shy child. I cannot do any competition. But because of this, my confidence become bigger and bigger. So now I can do any challenge because of Atal Tinkling Labs. Thank you, Atal.